Walk-in showers have become a popular bathroom upgrade for homeowners in mobile thanks to their modern appearance, accessibility, and convenience. They offer a spacious and comfortable bathing experience while enhancing the overall functionality of a bathroom. However, like any home feature, walk-in showers require regular care to maintain their appearance, performance, and longevity. Fortunately, keeping a walk-in shower in excellent condition doesn't require complicated maintenance routines. With consistent cleaning and a few preventative measures, homeowners can protect their investment and enjoy a beautiful, functional shower for years to come. Establish a regular cleaning routine. One of the most important maintenance tasks for any walk-in shower is regular cleaning. Soap residue, body oils, hard water deposits, and everyday dirt can gradually accumulate on shower walls, glass panels, and fixtures. Cleaning the shower at least once a week helps prevent buildup and keeps surfaces looking fresh. A non-abrasive cleaner and a soft cloth or sponge are typically sufficient for most shower materials. Homeowners should pay special attention to corners, seams, and areas around fixtures where residue tends to collect. Consistent cleaning not only preserves appearance but also reduces the likelihood of long-term staining. Keep glass doors crystal clear. Many walk-in showers feature glass doors or enclosures that contribute to a sleek, open design. However, water spots and mineral deposits can quickly affect the clarity of the glass if not addressed regularly. Using a squeegee after each shower is one of the simplest ways to minimize water spots and soap scum buildup. This quick habit can significantly reduce cleaning time and help maintain the shower's polished appearance. For deeper cleaning, homeowners can use a glass-safe cleaner designed to remove mineral deposits without damaging the surface. Monitor caulking and seals. Caulking plays an essential role in preventing water from escaping the shower enclosure and reaching surrounding walls or flooring. Over time, caulk can crack, shrink, or deteriorate due to moisture exposure and normal wear. Homeowners should inspect caulking and seals periodically for signs of damage. If gaps, peeling, or discoloration are present, replacing the affected caulk promptly can help prevent water damage and mold growth. Maintaining watertight seals is especially important for preserving the long-term integrity of the bathroom. Prevent mold and mildew growth. Bathrooms naturally experience high humidity levels, creating an environment where mold and mildew can develop if moisture is allowed to linger. Proper ventilation is one of the most effective ways to reduce this risk. Running an exhaust fan during and after showers helps remove excess humidity from the air. If an exhaust fan is unavailable, opening a window can improve airflow and support faster drying. Regularly wiping down wet surfaces and addressing standing water can further reduce the likelihood of mold and mildew forming within the shower. Keep the drain flowing freely. A slow-draining shower can quickly become a frustrating problem. Hair, soap residue, and other debris can accumulate in the drain over time, restricting water flow. To prevent clogs, homeowners should clean the drain periodically and remove visible debris when necessary. Installing a drain cover can also help catch hair and reduce the amount of material entering the plumbing system. Routine drain maintenance helps ensure efficient water flow and minimizes the risk of more serious plumbing issues. Protect shower fixtures. Shower heads, faucets, and handles are frequently exposed to water and mineral deposits. Over time, buildup can affect both appearance and performance. Cleaning fixtures regularly helps maintain their finish and functionality. If water flow from the shower head becomes uneven, mineral deposits may be blocking the nozzles. Soaking removable components according to manufacturer recommendations can often restore proper performance. Well-maintained fixtures not only look better but also contribute to a more enjoyable shower experience. Address minor issues. Early small maintenance concerns can quickly become larger and more expensive problems if left unaddressed. Loose hardware, damaged seals, cracked tiles, or minor leaks should be repaired as soon as they are noticed. Prompt attention helps prevent water damage, preserves the shower's appearance, and extends its lifespan. Routine inspections can help homeowners identify potential issues before they require significant repairs. Preserve your investment. A walk-in shower is more than a bathroom feature, it's an investment in comfort, accessibility, and home value. Regular maintenance helps protect that investment while ensuring the shower continues to perform as intended. For homeowners in Mobile, a proactive approach to cleaning and maintenance can keep walk-in showers looking beautiful and functioning efficiently for many years. By following a few simple care practices, homeowners can enjoy a cleaner, safer, and more comfortable bathing environment while maximizing the longevity of their shower system.